Hey guys, and welcome back to another Jurassic World figure unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Kayla Watts and Pyroraptor set, as well as the Dimetrodon and Alan Grant set from the new Dominion lineup. Jolina's already digging into that Dimetrodon. Oh my goodness.
I want that skull. I want that messed up ugly skull.
Okay. Oh my goodness. The Dimetrodon's really good. Like, the paint job is insanely good compared to the other two that we've seen so far. It's got this dark greenish, very like muted color to the body, and they sails this orange with a really nice paint job that semi-leaks onto the back intentionally, and thank goodness they painted this bit, because on the basic figure they did not. Also, the jaw's nice smooth closure. The paint around the eye really makes it pop, which I love. And we'll grab the scan code too real quick. Actually, never mind, the lighting's too bad. I'll do a scan code video later, guys, so stay tuned for that. You can go on a rant about the skull.
Okay, so Brennan was telling me that they used an older, like, toy model, or mold.
Yeah, from 2018.
And it was smaller, like the whole skull was smaller. And so they just upped the rest of the skull, but left the tiny little jaw. And it's ugly, and I saw it, and I was like, that's disgusting looking, it looks deformed.
I don't know why they did that.
God awful.
It's so bad.
Who looked at this and went, oh shit, I guess that's good enough.
Yeah, look.
They shouldn't have.
That's so bad.
I'm gonna beat up whoever
like, that
made
looks
that.
fine, but look at that. Ugh. No.
So my rant on this is it's ugly. It's also flimsy. Like, this is fine, and then this is like flimsy
it's
and
like
sad.
fetal.
The inside kind of looks really ugly, to be honest. It kind of reminds me of that one scene in Beetlejuice.
Oh yeah.
I hate it with a passion. It also looks wrinkly for some reason. Instead of like a bone, it looks like a wrinkled arm. So, not a big fan at all.
Yep, there you have it. Comes with a really bad skull. But Grant himself looks really cool. He's got accuracy in the face. I love the paint details. You can't really see it. The lighting's not the best. But also his coat's like this loose plastic that you can pull a bit. You can see his shirt on the inside. And they beefed up his arms a bit to look like he's in the coat. He's got torso rotation. His knees bend. They painted his jeans a bit. I think there's like a lighter wash of gray on them. And the boots are a really nice touch. I love the colors on him and the extra bit of color on the jacket that they don't usually do.
They really put some effort into Grant here. This old man got so much effort.
They put so much effort into the Dimetrodon and Grant that they
even
left
gave him
it out
eyebrows. That's so cool. You can't even see them. His hat covers them.
And let's get Kayla out of here. She comes with a little baton. Or not a baton, it was like the stun thing that she smacked the Pyroraptor with.
Also, here's the Pyroraptor. I'm not very good with the description here, so I'm just gonna... Oh, is this a scan code? Oh, that's unfortunate. I tried to press a button.
Oh no.
Doesn't do anything. Turns out it's boring and pathetic.
Nah, they just got the basic figures. So Kayla's really neat. She's got gloves on, which they painted. Her hair even has a second coat of paint on the bottom. Well, I think it's just a black mold and then they painted the hair, but whatever. The arms, of course, are the same texture as her jacket, which is very consistent. It's got like this little kind of scaly pattern to it. Her coat also is like Grant, so you can kind of flex it a bit. She's very thin on the inside, and painted her neck. I think the whole torso is that green color. It's got the rotation. Her cargo short pants are this vomit Shrek green, which is really nice. And no, the colors of her whole outfit
vomit
are
Shrek
nice.
Green, which is great.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'll just make her hold the baton like that. But no, she's a really great character. Lots of detail in it. They've definitely been upping the detail in their figures for this movie, so I'm enjoying that level of detail in these two figures so far. And the Pyroraptor, little lackluster. The colors are a lot better than most of the basic figures, like the inside of the mouth, the tongue, the gums are painted. The teeth are nice. Of course, it's got the inaccuracy that the feathers don't go out further. I think this was based more off of a prototype, kind of similar to, or concept art similar to the the Scorpius Rex. That's why the toy looks so weird compared to the final version that we saw on screen. It's got a very wide, chunky body, like depth-wise, which is nice. They colored the bottom black, and there's got little red exposed because like they put feathers on the whole body, so the paint didn't really seep through to the bottom. So we see a little bit of red down there, but that's fine. That actually adds to it a bit. And I love the tail. The tail has got this plumage coming off of it from the top and down, kind of cupping the bottom, which is naked. It's just bare skin down there. And the legs are very squat, so it's low to the ground when it stands. It's got a big old yap full of teeth that overhang the bottom jaw, and the eyes are really nice. So the paint job's not too bad. Not the best, but not the worst, because they painted the legs and the arms and the tail, so at least they've got that. And the head's pretty good as well. The one that comes with the playset, the big playset, that one looks foul. We'll go over that one when I get it. It came to Canada recently, so it'll be a matter of time till I review that one. Also, the back of the box, damn, the renders look really nice, especially the Dimetrodon. So these sets are great. Grant should have came with something else. Would have been cool if he came with like a minecart or something, or a pickaxe.
Instead of the ugliest jaw known to man.
Exactly. What's our timer running at?
123.
Okay, so these sets are definitely some of the best. The movie sets with the characters always tend to be great. These ones in particular were really nice. The first two were just, you know, the typical Claire and Owen with their counterparts, kind of reminiscent of the first line, but I'm glad they're continuing with human dinosaur counterparts, kind of like Camp Cretaceous releases of the figures. And again, most of you know they've been doing this because they tend to not sell humans separate anymore, because the first 2018 toy line and 2019 toy line, people would only buy the dinosaurs and not the humans, and the humans would be shelf warmers. So they'd just sit there, and then stores wouldn't sell out of the humans, and then they would have to either put them on sale or not bring in new stock, and so that was problematic. But they solved that problem by making all these human dinosaur packs, which is really nice. And I'd rate these ones like 9 or 10 out of 10 for sure. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and be sure to leave a like and follow if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next video, y'all. Bye bye.